get this annoying Windows error code fixed with this guide. Now for the first solution, we recommend getting started with disabling your antivirus program temporarily. And typically, you can achieve this by right-clicking on the antivirus icon in your taskbar, click Shield Controls, then choose Disable until the computer is. Now once the security program is disabled, try enabling the targeted Windows feature again, and check if the problem is now fixed. You might also be facing the problem due to a corrupted WMI repository. And to fix this, open Command Prompt with admin rights, execute the following commands one by one, wait for the commands to execute, then exit the command prompt. After that, you can now check if the issue is resolved. Now if nothing else works, try updating Windows by opening Settings, click Windows Update, then choose Check for Updates. And that's how you can fix this following error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.